So we just got the Green Dragon filled up and we're gonna head west, do a little bit of fishing with one of my buddies, so it should be fun. Such a beautiful day. So we're finally here.
Your destination is on the left.
See? One of the few things I have a supreme distaste for is city driving. There's my buddy right there. Where'd you get him?
Burger restaurant that they have here. Carly works there, so it's like everything's cheap for us.
It's really good.
I think like this whole all this is like 25 bucks.
Nom nom nom.
Like, I still remember rain and noodle meal nights. I still remember checking my said I'm saved and you're so damn sick of me. You're not mine anymore. 2, 3, 4.
So we're out here in some retention ponds.
This, they have this to cool that.
Oh, the
this
water
goes, this
treatment?
goes underwater and cools all the stuff in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what these
Huh. There's my buddy Brock. He's doing some topwater fishing too. And I can't really reel right now because I got one hand, but we're in the city. Brock got one. Doing some catch and release today. There's really nothing's that big in this little pond yet.
got a little guy.
Yeah, nice.
Release.
Pounder.
He gone. Back home he goes. Don't spit it.
Nice.
Yeah, he's bigger.
You got better luck than I do today. That dude hit a lure half the size of himself. Pretty crazy. Oh, the joys of fishing and treble hooks. I've been trying to get this thing out. Oh, you got one! Nice. Day 7.
I haven't seen a
Still trying to remove the fabric from the treble hook. Nice. I'm not even filming this. Like, oh my God, he wants out. Guys, we have a report. This is the evolution in action. He just jumped out of the water. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Pop exploded in my lap. Awesome.
On the leather!
Catfishing.
Did Patty Mayo upload?
So this is Brock with his service animal and his camo shorts.
With Khalifa, what up?
It's a real service animal.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yep.
nope. Okay.
We got a problem.
All right.
Where are you going?
Very cool. Say hi, Penny. Say hi.
Wow.